Hello everyone, I'm Tommy from Tokyo, Japan. Now I'm in Barcelona and now I'm visiting Sagrada Familia. It's Anthony Gaudi's very nice, very wonderful and beautiful structures, cathedral. So I'm going to in the Sagrada Familia. So today I would like to share my near-death experience, near-death out-of-body experience about nature. Yes. Yeah, this is very beautiful. Actually, this is my maybe 8 or 9 times to visit Sagrada Familia. Every time I visit here, I feel sacredness. I feel very stillness. Feel like healing or very profound. And this is very beautiful. This is stained glass. It's blue. This part of sunrise, and then that's orange. This part is sunset. So Sagrada Familia is filled with light and shade. It makes very beautiful and very sacred. So when I did the near-death experience, I saw a lot of symbols, lot of energy. So energy has own shape, and our source is connected to these symbols. So this Sagrada Familia structure is based on nature. For example, look at this pole. This is like trees. This is trees root. And you can see the trees. These poles are based on the natural trees. So this building is full of nature. And I will show you like this. So actually I meditated in this place. It's a very nice experience. And you can see the top of this. Yes, this part. I think this is source of all creations. And then so our world is radiated from the source. So the source is saved. The source, the energy of the source saved in the nature, this world. And when I feel the nature, we can return to the source. And our inspirations, creativities, our original feelings from the source. So actually this Sagrada Familia, this is just my thought. This is my understanding. Maybe there are lots of concepts, religious concepts in this Sagrada Familia, but according to my experience of near-death NDE, so this building is full of the source of all creations. So we can live in this world with nature's harmonies. So if you feel something anxiety or you're worrying something about that, why don't you go to a park or a forest or the place where you can feel nature, then you can feel your original, your authentic self in the nature. Just sit on the ground, and sometimes you can meditate, or sometimes you can just breathing in the nature. It helps you return to your own source. Well, anyway, this is very beautiful and powerful place to feel the energy of the souls. So thank you for watching this video. So if you come visit Barcelona, you can enjoy this beautiful Sagrada Familia. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Arigato.